If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at the next question. Find the customers who had purchases in all the years. Now this one is an interesting question because here we will be using CTEs and not just subqueries, but we will be using nested subqueries. So let's start building the solution. So let's see what tables we need. We need customers, then we have purchases. So let's join customer ID to invoices. So let's use customers. Again, we'll use inner join because we need customers only with sales. Invoices on customer ID. What all we need would be the customer name first. So I'll use c dot first name, c dot last name as customer name. Then we need the year of sale. For that we'll use strf time and invoice date. Then we need total sales, so we can simply use the total. Then we'll use a row number function over partition by. We'll use the customer ID and order by. We'll simply use the year, call it as RN for row number. Then let's use a group by. Let's see the output here. So we can see for each customer you have the year and the total sales of that year, and the row number always start with the earliest year as row number 1 and so on. And we can see it is not skipping a number when there is a gap in year. So that would be our CTE. Now let's understand what all we need. So now we need only those customers who have sales in all the years. If you want to see all the years, the highest row number here seems to be 5. So what I would need is customer, whoever is having row number 5 in their data, we will call them. So we can simply call like this: select customer name, year, sales. From sales, the customer name, let's use in here, and then select distinct customer name from sales, where now we need to say RN, the row number equals, and again to get the max, select max row number from sales. So what we are doing here is we are telling the customer name has to be in a certain list, and to determine that we are using any row number which matches the max row number, which is 5 in this case. Those customer name will be there as the list for our outer query. So let's see the output. So we can see all the customers who have 5 years of sales and the respective sales values.